Make your own homemade face serum at home with some natural ingredient. We all know that tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is a natural skin brightening agent. So this will help you to get a glowing complexion in natural way. As we are going to make face serum, we have to extract the juice. So, we are going to demonstrate the whole process. Just follow this carefully. This natural recipe will surely give you glowing skin within weeks. Not only that, a proper skin care routine will surely help you to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines around mouth. You can also apply this as an anti-aging serum for your skin. Tomatoes are one of my favorite and most effective remedies to get clear skin. It contains high contents of potassium and vitamin C, which also help to reduce excess sebum on the skin's surface. Who doesn't want a radiant and glowing skin? Who doesn't want to look younger? But most of the people thinks to get a good result, you should follow some complex routine. But, don't worry. This simple remedy will surely give you the same result within weeks. Antioxidants in tomato juice is perfect for young and healthy looking skin. It reduces discoloration and patches, which helps to get glowing skin. Now we also need a serum which gives skin lightening effect as well. So there is nothing better than lemon or lime juice. Adding approximately 1 teaspoon of lemon juice will make it perfect. Next we want some moisturizing effect as well. Only a glowing dry skin is not perfect, so we are going to add nature's best moisturizer called raw honey. Honey is a wonderful ingredient for skin care recipes. There are 2 natural ingredients which I prefer most. Those are raw honey and natural aloe vera. You can apply only raw honey on your face. If you want to keep your skin healthy, moisturizing is the key, and there is nothing better than this. This is going to be the best DIY serum, not only to get radiant skin but a healthy wrinkle-free skin with a glow. Mix all the ingredients well. You can keep it in refrigerator for 1 to 2 days easily. You have to follow the steps carefully. You can apply this twice a day. Now we are going to make this homemade remedy more effective with another 100% organic ingredient. And that is aloe vera. Let this serum be dried and follow the next step. Aloe vera works hard to combat free radicals. Due to its healing and moisturizing properties, aloe vera is widely used as an ingredient in a variety of skin care products. Now this step will help you to reduce wrinkles and fine lines from your face. Just apply this and also let it dry. And then wash it off with cool water.